Alright guys, well, so far no dice, but come back out here to the spot I was at yesterday. Lounge, got about 2 hours before sundown, 2.5 to where I won't be able to see anything, so about 2 hours of fishing. I do got a flashlight, but just gonna hang out here. I got a line right out here. It's about probably 15, 20 foot deep right there. It's underneath the down tree, and then there's a whole bunch of tree stuff right here, and I got it pretty much straight down in front of those, which I think is also about 15 foot deep. So give it a couple hours and see how things go.